Tired of the daily commute? Let's explore 5 easy ways to make money online from the comfort of home. First up, reselling digital products. Imagine having your own store stocked with ebooks or templates you didn't have to create. Just resell and keep 100% of the profit. It's a perfect way to earn passive income without the hassle. Next, creating your own digital products. Sounds tough, right? But with tools like Canva, you can whip up planners or e-courses in hours, not weeks. Create once, sell forever. How about online coaching or consulting? Got a skill or experience others need? Share it and make money by offering advice, whether part-time or packaged in an ebook. Then there's social media management. Good with Instagram or Facebook. Businesses need you. Manage their posts and engagement strategies, all from the comfort of your home. Lastly, affiliate marketing. Love a product? Promote it. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. No stock, no shipping, just sharing and earning. Ready to start? Click the link below for a free guide on making money online with these ideas. See you on the inside.